This is our next product we called NBSense 04 temperature humidity monitoring system. So any space temperature, machine or system temperature we can monitor remotely. This is a simple architecture where single or multiple temperature sensors we can monitor through our system. So first item or first component of the system architecture is the temperature and humidity sensor. Either it could be a temperature, or it could be a humidity, or it could be a combination of both as per the client's or user requirement. So we have to put dedicated sensor there, and those all sensors getting terminating in a multi-in single out converter, because most of these temperatures output is not readable to our gateway. Our gateway can read only the RS-485 or the smart communication protocol. If these sensors are not giving the standard Modbus or RS-485 output, simply we have to put a intermediator, that is a multi-in single out converter. So this is a one gateway type device which is collecting data from the independent or individual sensors and converting one a master output, that is in the form of RS-485. And then there is a gateway, and gateway transmits data to the cloud through the GSM or Wi-Fi internet connectivity, and we are getting this data to the user interface. So this is the overall system architecture of temperature humidity monitoring system. Now we are jumping to the user interface. So once we log there in our temperature humidity monitoring system, in the opening page or landing page, we are getting total summary of my systems. That how many total systems or subscription we have taken. For example, this case we have taken 12 sensors. Out of the 12 sensors or system, how many are the online, how many are the offline, we are getting here details. And all list of all those sensors we are getting with its name, its location, its temperature real time value, humidity percentage, status online, and the last seen date and timestamp. Suppose we want to see any particular sensors detail analysis, I have to simply select and I have to click on the particular sensors. But once we land on that particular sensors values or the parameters, so here we are getting the real time values. So this is last seen or last synchronization timestamp. So this recently got synchronized, and the present or that time synchronization temperature and humidity values we are getting here. Here quickly we are getting this today and the months mean, max, and average value, temperature and humidities. So that is important along with the timestamp value and its timestamp. Month wise we are getting with the day and timestamp. What time, what which day, what was the minimum, maximum, and average value we recorded. Below that there is a profile. So by default we are getting latest 24 hours profile here, or simply we can select a date range from here. If I am selecting of first to second, and the values will load here. So this is this micro analysis or the historical analysis is possible on our gateway. Here we can see the temperature and the humidity profile. And we can download this data in any format like PDF or Excel for further analysis. We can hide and hide any parameter to see or to do the micro analysis. We can zoom in at a micro level to see what was happening at what time, the trend and all. The best another feature is that the daily trend in a month, what day, what was the mean, max, and average value. So every day's final outcome, mean, max, average value, we are deriving, our software is deriving here and putting as a summary. Similarly, in a year, month wise, what was the mean, max, average values? So we are getting that trend here. Alarm setup, we can do alarm setup from here as well. So we can add alarm, we can select the meter, sensor value, sensor name, and we have to select the parameter, either temperature or humidity. We have to set the minimum and maximum threshold. We have to select the method of communication, either SMS or email. And once we set everything, we have to submit, and once the threshold cross, automatically this will start sending emails or SMS. Another feature is the hooter setup. Many of so presently this particular site is not the demo site is not subscribed the footer system. Generally, in footer system, what happen? We don't have to wait for the dashboard alerts or emails or SMS. Sometimes the process or system is very critical. In that case, we have to add a local footer there. So automatically, this will start buzzing once the threshold cross, and the somebody on site who is available or in charge, they can look after what exactly happening, for what reason, where it is happening. So once they notice the buzzer, they can open this software and see so which parameter or which sensors value or its threshold crossed. So this is possible. We can generate report from here as well. We have to select the period, mean, max, average, all values we are getting here. So this is about our temperature humidity product.